Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of automotive care with a focus on the best leather cleaner for cars. Leather seats deserve the utmost care to maintain their luxurious feel and appearance. Join us as we explore top-notch products and expert tips to keep your car's leather looking pristine. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Number 1. Proper Detailing Car Leather Seat Cleaner and Conditioner, a comprehensive leather care kit designed to rejuvenate and protect your car's interior. This all-in-one solution includes a potent leather cleaner and conditioner, meticulously formulated to remove dirt, grime, and stains while nourishing and preserving your leather surfaces. The kit also comes with 2 detailing brushes, ensuring thorough cleaning and optimal application. From rejuvenating worn-out seats to safeguarding against future damage, this product delivers unparalleled results, leaving your car's leather looking and feeling as good as new. Say hello to a showroom-worthy interior with the Proper Detailing Car Leather Seat Cleaner and Conditioner. Number 2. CAR Guys Super Cleaner, the ultimate solution for all your car interior cleaning needs. This 18-ounce kit packs a powerful punch, effectively tackling dirt, grime, and stains on various surfaces including leather seats, carpets, upholstery, and fabric. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with this versatile cleaner that effortlessly rejuvenates your car's interior, leaving it looking and smelling fresh. Whether you're dealing with spills, pet messes, or everyday wear and tear, CAR Guys Super Cleaner delivers remarkable results every time. With its easy application and fast-acting formula, maintaining a pristine interior has never been easier. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal with CAR Guys Super Cleaner and experience the difference today. Number 3. Chemical Guys SPI _103_16 Sprayable Leather Cleaner and Conditioner in 1. If you're on the hunt for a versatile solution to keep your car interiors, apparel, and more looking pristine, this is your go-to. With a potent formula that works wonders on natural, synthetic, pleather, faux leather, and more, it's a one-stop shop for leather care. The 16 fluid ounces bottle packs a powerful punch, leaving behind a delightful leather scent that enhances the ambience of any space. Say goodbye to dull, dirty surfaces and hello to a refreshed, rejuvenated finish. Trust Chemical Guys SPI _103_16 to breathe new life into your leather goods with its convenient spray-on application and conditioning properties. It's time to elevate your leather care routine effortlessly. Number 4. Wyman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner, your ultimate solution for maintaining the pristine condition of your leather goods. This 22 fluid ounces pack comes in a convenient 6-pack, ensuring you have an ample supply for all your leather care needs. Crafted to perfection, this formula not only cleans but also conditions, revitalizing leather surfaces with ease. The inclusion of UV protectants is a game-changer, effectively safeguarding against the dreaded cracking and fading that can plague leather couches, car seats, shoes, and purses. With Wyman, you can trust that your cherished leather items will retain their luxurious look and feel for years to come. Say hello to durability and elegance combined in one powerful product. Number 5. Migar G9241 SP Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner and Conditioning Spray. This 24-ounce spray bottle is a game-changer for leather care. With its advanced formula, it effortlessly cleans and conditions leather surfaces, leaving them looking rich and rejuvenated. Whether it's your car's interior, furniture, or accessories, this product works wonders, removing dirt, grime, and oils while nourishing the leather to prevent drying and cracking. What sets it apart is its ability to enhance the leather's natural beauty without leaving behind any residue or artificial shine. Plus, the convenient spray bottle makes application a breeze. Say goodbye to dull, lifeless leather and hello to a luxurious finish with Migar's Gold Class Rich Leather Cleaner and Conditioning Spray. In conclusion, Finding the best leather cleaner for your car is essential for maintaining its beauty and longevity. With the right product, you can keep your leather seats looking pristine for years to come. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like and share for more tips on car care.